Elon Musk finally revealed Tesla VTOL electric aircraft. Tesla electric VTOL aircraft, Elon Musk unveiled. In case you didn't know, Elon Musk is a character in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. If not, you should watch the second Iron Man film. Today's video will not analyze Elon Musk's acting abilities, but rather his Tesla notion. We saw Robert Downey Jr.'s Tony Stark approach Elon Musk in the cameo to shake his hand and congratulate him on the Merlin engines. After Musk grinned and claimed he had a concept for an electric plane, Tony reacted by saying they would make it work. Elon Musk has finally made Tesla's proposed airliner prototype public, and we must confess that the design is insane. Tesla's designers and engineers are clearly not satisfied with simply creating autos. They want to push the envelope of what is feasible. We can see from the various ventures Musk has undertaken that he is a visionary who isn't satisfied with narrow focus. He doesn't do tiny size. Tesla's engineers, designers, and tech millionaires all have great ambitions for their company. But how large a scale are we truly talking about? Join us as we go over all you need to know about the Tesla VTOL electric plane today. According to Elon Musk, Tesla's company might extend beyond electric vehicles and trucks. He plans to construct an electric supersonic aircraft. The planes must once aren't like ordinary planes. They'll use vertical takeoff and landing VTOL technology to soar to enormous heights before accelerating to speeds of over 768 miles per hour utilizing battery power. Musk has regularly mentioned the development of an electric VTOL aircraft. He first offered the notion in a 2009 interview with TechCrunch, claiming that an electric plane only becomes more realistic as battery energy advances. Money isn't an issue for Musk because he is the world's richest technologist. He is the creator of the Boring Company, Neuralink, and OpenAI, as well as the CEO of two multi-billion-dollar corporations, SpaceX and Tesla. He also has 6 children, so he couldn't handle too much at once. The only thing stopping him from designing the next-generation plane is the amount of work on his desk. Musk tweeted in 2021, "I'm dying to develop a supersonic VTOL electric jet. However, I'd already have a full plate. If I had to do anything else, my brain would melt." When questioned about VTOL electric aircraft, he stated that he and Tesla already have enough on their plates. Musk stated that while developing a functional prototype for an electric VTOL aircraft would be relatively simple, mass manufacturing with high reliability, low cost, and full compliance with all regulations would be 100 times more challenging. Musk stated that he had discussed this idea with a couple of his friends and girlfriends. According to Joe Rogan, the most exciting component of an electric plane is the need to fly as high as possible, which necessitates a specific energy density in the battery pack in order to overcome gravitational potential energy. Based on his statements, Musk has definitely given the concept a lot of thought. He answered, "You would not require any backup fuel since you would have the energy of height. The energy expended during cruise is small, and you can recover a significant portion of your gravitational potential energy on the way down. The higher you go, the faster you move for the same amount of energy, and at some elevations, you may travel at supersonic speeds while using less energy per mile," he says. Less power than a 35,000-foot-high plane. Musk is intrigued by the Tesla Model V. The Model V is a VTOL electric concept designed to take advantage of the best aerial platform technology for electric vehicles. We can't help but notice how the concept is reminiscent of a flying saucer based on computer-generated pictures collected from the internet. Tesla did not come up with the idea. It was designed by British industrial designer Tom Abbott Davies. Musk took notice of the design and tweeted that he thought it was fantastic. According to eVTOL News, the Model V's design is inspired by a manta ray rather than a flying saucer and would be able to carry a large number of passengers. The sophisticated design includes titanium turbine blades that can fly vertically, as well as a gimbaled rear fan for forward flying. To provide a comfortable flying, the aircraft is gyroscopically stabilized. It has two 650-kilowatt brushless motors and one 1,250-kilowatt motor that are both driven by lithium-ion batteries. The total of these components provides the distributed electric propulsion required for flight. This means that even if a component fails, the plane can still land safely. The retractable landing gear on the Model V's exterior is hidden by a carbon fiber underbody. Avit Davies, who graduated from university in 2019, had included this design in his application for a Tesla internship. Avit Davies, who was rejected for the internship, is currently looking for work as an industrial designer for an eVTOL or hybrid electric VTOL manufacturer. You would be foolish if you thought that was all we have to give. The Tesla helicopter will also be available soon. This design embodies Tesla's qualities as a company. Tesla does not have the time or the pressing need to develop electric helicopters like to the supersonic electric VTOL. According to Antonio, the helicopter will be produced once Tesla has mastered battery technology that can power flying devices. The futuristic-looking plane would be constructed fast and efficiently. Antonio believes the Tesla helicopter will be capable of performing responsibilities such as patrol and safety. It's perfect for departments like safety and patrol because it can even help in an emergency. This simplifies, reduces costs, and improves the effectiveness of air and ground patrol. The Tesla helicopter has a 5-bladed rotor, as opposed to the 3- or 2-bladed rotors seen in regular helicopters. The 2 tiny fins on either side of the helicopter serve the same purpose. Although much smaller, the fins are similar to those found on fixed-wing aircraft. The cockpit is completely enclosed in the design. But we feel Tesla would want to incorporate a function that allows the pilot of the aircraft to go from a direct view to a video-connected view by toggling a covering or shield on top of the cockpit. This type of capacity could be handy when flying in bad weather, such as snowstorms, sandstorms, or extremely heavy rain. Despite the fact that it is not the only company looking to construct an electric aircraft, Tesla has made no comments or statements about this design idea. In 2017, Aviation presented us with the Alice aircraft prototype. Alice drew more attention than Tesla since it was the first commercially viable all-electric aircraft with a 600-mile range and a 9-person capacity. Because of its features and specifications, Alice can be used by some short-haul regional airlines. Aviation's intention to release manufacturing copies with a limited range may still be useful on some routes. Although Aviation expects to fly the Alice aircraft on its initial trip, the certification process will take some time, and commercial operations are not expected to begin until 2024. If another manufacturer does not outperform it, it will be one of the first all-electric commercial aircraft. Sikorsky, a branch of Lockheed Martin, is another business looking to build electric aircraft. This illustrious corporation built some of America's most popular helicopter designs. Their project is the Sikorsky Firefly, an all-electric helicopter designed solely for research purposes. The Firefly is a Sikorsky 300C helicopter that replaces its original engines with 2 lithium-ion battery packs and an electric motor. It is the world's first all-electric helicopter. The helicopter is still fairly primitive. It can only support the pilot's weight for 12 to 15 minutes at 92 miles per hour. If the battery dies, the helicopter's blades may still auto-rotate, allowing the pilot to land it anywhere there is space. Let us know your views in the comments section down below. That was all from this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe to this channel and turn the notifications bell icon on so you know when we post next.